Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 8th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And gold versus the dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis this morning for gold, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So gold finally did break out, and it definitely did go as planned. If you saw this morning's video, then hopefully you caught this sorting opportunity, because I said this morning that it looks like it should go down and take out the low of wave A. I now have my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move right here, because if it does turn back up, and if it really is an ABC, which it looks like it is, then it most likely will turn at a Fibonacci level, which we're not really at a Fib level right now. And this is a very messy pattern up here, but I mean, it probably is a wave 1, 2, 3 in here someplace. Wave C should be 5 waves, so this move up actually could be a wave 4. It might actually go down to like the 61% for a wave 5 before it actually does end this wave C. So we do have a few things to keep an eye out on the news calendar. We have Kiwi Bank news coming out this evening. They are planning on lowering interest rates 50 basis points, so that definitely should do something to the Kiwi pairs. And we got meeting minutes news tomorrow for the US, so hopefully that will help keep things moving also. So, anyways, definitely don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.